G'day YouTube family. In today's video we're going to be changing out this crusty rusty exhaust for an Invidia N2 cutback. Let's go. With no breaker bar I had to improvise with some WD-40 and a couple of spanners to break those rusty bolts loose. Bit of WD-40 on the rubber hangers will help a lot as well, but it's still going to be a struggle. Look at that shiny new Invidia N2 cutback. The new Invidia kit will come with bolts and gaskets, but don't throw out any of your old bolts, you will still need some of them. Talk about laying pennies, those welds are spectacular. Exhaust is on, time to see how it sounds. Time to swap out the stock headers for the Ultrex version 2 on equal length stainless steel headers. Let's go. Get a Subaru, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Sure, Ethan, listen to the people. Now that we've installed the headers, we're going to use the OpenFlash tuner to download the original tune and upload the new one to the ECU. You will need a PC or a laptop with Windows 10 to be able to download the tune from the OpenFlash website.